Kani kadega batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki Khubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong.
Nalor ki nong tray hak ki hospital, bat ki pulet ki bahab ban yateng ko bay, bat ki breo ki bayat bayang, bat ki we ki bahab ban mi bay nalayeng ban yadan benta, hak bay kon persya na kajing saprang ukunyang jengpang COVID-19. Kinong patay Khuboru ki don hakata kaju ka benta, kamtam mi kitu ki balik ringdor bat chandor, ki bahab ban yateng ko bay bat ki pai ba. Da kabayu iya kini kajing jungkini kinong patay Khubor, ka Shillong Bengalee Association, kalapai kemat langru sya kinong patay Khubor, nalor kinong tray hak ki hospital. Hak aruprat rek matau benaya yong arhajar arpau, kaneka kanhon kelawan syakmat ban IT, shipau Tylli ki personal protective equipment, syaki Nonglum Khubor, ki bahab ban mi bet sabar ban ilum Khubor, bat yagini ki PPE la IT, haki nongkit kam jang ka Shillong Press Club, hapo ka jelam jang President uba David O. Light Plang.
Our idea is that for service to the people, service to the poor and downtrodden, and our organization is a very new organization, just recently started. Even our organization is not yet registered. We did not get time because as soon as after we made it, the lockdown started. So it was not possible. After it is open, lockdown is over, then only we'll proceed for that. We are in progress of making the constitution of our organization. We have procured 500 people, 500, and we have identified earmarked for different place, different organization. Suppose Nazareth Hospital, suppose our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. It is for the government, and RKM Ramkrishna Mission charitable organization. Then your press club. That way we have identified, where to give.
I Khubor 6,000 mo ya Shillong Bengalee Association kabala wan chakmat ban perkat lem ya ki nong thok Khubor ki nong ring dur dong ki lat pathai Khubor ki bokher namar ba kiniru ki frontline warriors ki don hakmat ki sem jinge ki bon jing tunjo nrei ki dang yeturhi ban ai ka Khubor se ki patba jinge ai Khubor kerpang ya ka Shillong Bengalee Association pala perkat ban phai sekalian jungi ka dikasin banengkong. Actually no organization has come forward to extend their support and their prayers for the frontline journalists who are there at the field. We are going out there unprotected, we are going out there unprepared, but thank you Shillong Bengalee Association. May God bless your organization and may you remain a part of Shillong forever.